wherein we have to prove that for a given triangle, sine alpha upon A is equal to sine beta upon B is equal to sine gamma upon C. Now what is alpha, beta, gamma? They are the three angles of the triangle, and capital A, B and C, they are the sides opposite to the angle alpha, beta and gamma respectively. Okay, now let us first draw a figure, then we will come to know the exact meaning. Let us say this angle is alpha. So the side opposite to alpha is A. Similarly, beta is this. So this will be B. This is gamma. So this will be C. Now we have to prove that sine alpha upon A is equal to sine beta upon B is equal to sine gamma upon C. Okay. Now let us say this is one vector A, this is another vector B, and this is another vector C. Okay. So since these three vectors, they form the sides of a triangle and they are taken in the same order, so A plus B plus C will be equal to 0. Okay. This we have already discussed quite a many times. Now we'll just use this property for the triangle. Now if I take A plus B plus C and I try to find its cross product with B vector only. Since this vector is 0, so the cross product will also be 0. Okay, now I'll apply the distributive property. Now this expression can be written as A cross B plus B cross B plus C cross B, which is equal to 0. Now B cross B will be 0, and this can be written as minus of B cross C. Okay, so A cross B minus B cross C is equal to 0, or we can write that A cross B is equal to B cross C. So if these two vectors, they are equal, this represents one vector, this also represents one vector. Okay, we also know that A cross B is the twice of the area of the triangle. This is also quite common sense, because you take any two sides of the triangle, either you take AB or you take BC or you take CA, the area is going to be the same. So this we could have written directly from the knowledge that area is half of A cross B, okay, or half of B cross C, or half of C cross A. But this we proved using some mathematical formulae or some mathematical knowledge. Okay, now if these two vectors are equal, then their magnitudes are also bound to be equal. So the magnitude of this will be given by AB. Now what is the angle between A and B? The angle between A and B is gamma. Okay, so here magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and sine of angle between the two, which is sine gamma, is equal to B cross C, which is magnitude of B, magnitude of C, and the angle between B and C is alpha. Similarly, if you analyze this expression and instead of taking B you take A or you take C, you will get one more relationship, and that will be A cross B equal to C cross A, which is equal to B cross C also. The equality between these two we have already proved just now. Now this can also be proved. Okay, now if this is the case, now A cross B can be written as AB sine gamma, CA can be written as AC sine beta, and B cross C can be written as BC sin alpha. Now we divide the entire expression by ABC. Okay, so again equality will remain. So this AB will cut this, AC will cut this, BC will cut this. So we are left with sin gamma upon C is equal to sin beta upon B is equal to sin alpha upon A. So hence this expression is proved.